Objective: to learn the 5 primary growth regulators in plants and their roles in the plant's growth. Plant growth regulators, sometimes referred to as phytohormones, are naturally occurring chemicals that coordinate the growth and movement of plants. Although these organic substances are produced in minute quantities, they have profound effects on plants. The 5 most common growth regulators are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Auxins are produced in the tips of the shoots and roots, and growth is dependent on the amount produced. Phototropism and geotropism in plants is due to auxins. A plant kept in partial shade will exhibit differential growth due to auxins. The shaded side of the shoot will produce more auxins, causing the cells to increase in number, which results in an elongation and bending of the shoot towards the light. In roots, the effect is the opposite. When partially shaded, that side will produce more auxins, and the roots will grow away from the light. Cytokinins are synthesized in root tips, as well as in developing fruits and seeds, and are then transported to other parts of the plant. They stimulate cell division and shoot growth. They also stimulate the growth of lateral buds, cause dormant seeds to germinate, and delay leaf senescence. In other words, the yellowing of a leaf. Gibberellins are produced by the roots and young leaves of plants. They stimulate stem elongation and delay fruit maturity and senescence in lemons and oranges. Abscisic acid, also referred to as ABA, slows down the growth of plants. In seeds, it causes dormancy, ensuring the seed will germinate only when conditions are favorable. The production of abscisic acid increases in the leaves at the onset of drought, causing the leaves to wilt as a means of conserving water. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone produced in all plants. It promotes the ripening of fruit and stimulates fruit and leaf abscission, in other words, the shedding of fruit and leaves. Synthesized plant growth regulators are widely used in modern agriculture and horticulture. Summary: plant growth regulators control and influence cell division, growth, germination, senescence, abscission, and fruit ripening. The common biological growth regulators are auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, and ethylene. Synthetic growth regulators are widely used in agriculture and horticulture.